Do you want your interior to be modern, durable and timeless? My name is Thomas from Festfloor, and in this video I will answer the most frequently asked questions about microcement. Let's begin. Microcement is a versatile, thin-layer decorative compound meticulously applied with a trowel to a remarkably fine thickness of just 1 or 2 millimeters. It consistently delivers a natural, delicately subtle and aesthetically pleasing look, which makes it a perfectly adaptable fit for a wide variety of architectural styles, ranging from the serene Japandi and the free-spirited boho to the clean Scandinavian and the industrial chic loft, thus allowing you to effortlessly incorporate it into many of your diverse projects. Where can microcement be used? Microcement is a very versatile material and you can use it practically anywhere. It is most commonly used for finishing floors in houses, apartments and commercial spaces, but it is also very often used for finishing walls, countertops and furniture. Thanks to its water resistance, you can easily use it in the shower and throughout the entire wet area. What advantages are most often highlighted when choosing microcement? A thin layer. The entire system is just 1 or 2 millimeters thick. A wide range of colors is available, so everyone can easily find something for themselves. A seamless surface that is exceptionally easy to keep clean. It also possesses excellent hydrophobic properties and the crucial ability to use it in all areas exposed to water. How do you apply microcement? That's actually the core of this channel, but in a nutshell, first you prime, then you embed the base with mesh, choose the microcement suited to your application, and finally you apply the sealer. Nothing could be simpler. What microcement systems does Festfloor offer? We have as many as 4. Festfloor Life is a 2-component mineral system for finishing floors and walls. Festfloor Titan is a microcement with increased durability, dedicated for floors. HydroFest is a microcement for bathrooms and wet areas. And then there's Festfloor Go. It's a universal, ready-to-use microcement. These were the most frequently asked questions about microcement. So what now? Well, we probably didn't explain absolutely everything. If you still have any doubts, and I'm sure you do, leave a comment and we'll reply to you. Leave a thumbs up to help us reach more people, because we want to spread the good idea of microcement. Stay with us, together we'll discover the full potential behind it all. See you in our next videos.